No need for baby hairs and all the swoop swoops and all of that, because Outre got you covered with the hairline, honey. Sometimes you may hurt my feelings a little bit, but you always come back with it. Like, and you came back with it with this one. Helena Brown, girl. Cut it, hey, cut it, hey, cut it. Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left, plus you gon' get right. What the hell did you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo, but taking it easy like poco.
Feeling my fate, I'm immersing my sound. Fearing the hate to create the compound. Dealing with clearing the negatives out. Watch what you say while I'm staring you down. Hop on my way, I've been running your town. Dropping you stay, so you know I'm around. Stop where you lay, devastating your ground. Watch what you say while I'm staring you down. Hop on my way, I've been running your town. Dropping you stay, so you know I'm around. Misery loves company, it's not the only one. Energy on enemies will make you come undone. Beat off negativity to remedy their fun. Sense of jealousy and hate inside the house. I'm stepping inside your house, betting I'm kicking my feet on your couch, checking no cushions and clearing you out, setting my dishes up under your spout, shedding your bedding and wearing it out, messing your threading and airing it out. I've been expelling and came here to gouge, letting you sweat your regret with a slouch. Came out the dirty, no Oscar the grouch. I'm disrespecting and spreading my clouds, cutting, I'm flexing in front of your spouse, getting you pressed like a fruit by the ounce, testing your patience and stressing you out, vetting your basement and testing your doubt. Rip up your pavement, I'm tearing this down, give up a statement and smearing you now. Misery loves company, it's not the only one. Energy on enemies will make you come undone. Beat off negativity to remedy their fun. I can sense the jealousy and hate inside the house. I'm soaking in the ocean, a commotion is implosion. Stoking out my fire, higher silver's been provoking. Stoking my desire with a little bit of potion. Hoping my supplier has acquired all the hoping. Sold it for a profit just to offset the corroding. Hold it like a faucet just to stop it from exposing. Those that tend to profit from the losses of the broken. Those are men that toxic, living nauseous in an open.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Epic Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another newer unit. This one is from the Outre Melted Hairline collection, and y'all know I love me some Outre. So the name of this unit is Katiana, and I'm wearing it in the color Havana Brown. So let's just pop right into the specs of this unit. So with this unit, you do get your typical cap construction as far as the two combs in the front, your one comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. It does also come with an elastic band, so yes for that, honey. It does come pre-plucked. It does come with HD lace, honey. It does come with baby hairs, and you do get your singular HD lace middle part, honey. Let's just come in and show you this hairline real quick, like, girl. Of course, once again, I didn't go above and beyond with the baby hairs. And I just wanted to show you guys what this hairline is looking like, because of course it's Outre. They always come with it. Always, 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 always. So the hairline on this one, you guys, is super, super beautiful. No need for baby hairs and all the swoop swoops and all of that, because Outre got you covered with the hairline, honey. So the cap size on this one is definitely coming off small, medium, and possibly big-ish, head friendly. I did adjust the straps a little bit and it's fitting my head very secure. The cap does seem to have a little bit of stretch in there, so I do think you can possibly get away with wearing this one if you do have a larger size head. So the texture on this one is, yes, very much giving yaki vibes. And if you guys have been interested, seen, tried, or heard about the Outre Katia unit, let me just tell you, if you were unable to get your hands on that unit, like girl, that unit was everything. This is incredibly similar to that. So that Outre Katia unit had a 13x4, either 13x4 or 13x6 parting space, I can't remember, but it had multiple parting space options. So this is exactly like that, except you do get a singular part instead of a like frontal situation, if that makes sense. So the density on this one is very beautiful. The density is about 150%. It's definitely not too much hair on my head. It's very much right in the middle. It's perfect natural density, girl. So let me just show you guys what the length of this one is looking like. I'm 5'3" for reference. I think the length on this one is perfect. It comes just about a little bit below my boobs. Yo, so let me just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. Honey, literally, are we surprised that once again it's an Outre unit and I have no cons? Because I don't have any cons with this unit. Girl, no cons. No cons. My pros on this unit: no tangling, no shedding, throw it and go, absolutely. Hairline, good to go. Parting space, wonderful. Supernatural looking. Color, on point. Density, yes. Texture, yes. Baby hairs, yes. Can I keep going? Can I keep going? Like, Outre. And I just want to pop in real quick to a new product that I decided to try out with this unit. So I picked up this HD Glue Melt Magic just because I wanted to see how it worked, and to be honest, I feel like it worked pretty good with this unit. When I tried it with my human hair yaki textured unit, this product, honey, it worked phenomenally. I don't know if it's just because what the product is made of, it works better on human hair than it does on synthetic. I'm not disappointed with my end result with the synthetic unit, but I was blown away, honestly, on my end result when it came to doing it with my human hair unit. So what I liked about this product is I'm not somebody who does glues and all those crazy adhesives and stuff. Y'all know I usually go in with just my Wonder Lace Bond. I did go in and wear it all day just because I wanted to give you guys an honest review of how it held up for me, and it did hold up pretty good. Honestly, it held up for most of the day. It's more along the lines of like a got-to-be glue, but a much stronger got-to-be glue. You don't have to worry about the fear of like ripping your edges out like one of those lace bond glues or something like that that sticks onto your head for forever. So it gave me an all-day secure wear, but it also was easy to take off. If you want to take it off, all you need to do is go in with water. I just did go in with a couple of dabs of glue around my hairline, about 2 to 3 times, and then I used my blow dryer to dry it off until it got tacky, and then stuck the hair down, wrapped it down as always, and I feel like it worked out pretty good. Like I said, I feel like it worked out better with my human hair unit than it did with this one, but I mean, I can't complain. Based on my experience, I feel like in the future, as far as synthetic units are concerned, I most likely will continue to use my Eben Wonder Lace Bond on my synthetic units, and in the future I do think I will be using the HD Glue Melt Magic on all of my human hair units, just because, like I said, I feel like that one worked out much better for human than it did for synthetic. I just wanted to show you guys a comparison of how the glue worked on my human hair unit versus how it worked on this one, and as a whole I feel like it's 100% worth it. More towards the human hair units, if you dig what I'm saying. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up and any other colors. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.